So in this video, I'm going to explain how to do advanced statistics and regression using a scientific calculator. We are going to use Casio 991ES Plus and statistics keys by changing mode, and we'll solve some statistics and regression calculations. We'll start with a very basic statistics problem. So we have some observations 12, 15, 18, 27, 19, 13, 12, etc. And we need to find out statistical values. So we would like to find out mean, median, mode, etc. Okay, let us go quickly to mode and change to statistics 3 and go into one variable statistics. You can put in these values there. So 12, 15, 18, 19. Now please always remember, though it looks quite weird, but once you are done with your data entry, you need to press AC to get out of it, and then go to statistics to find out the command. Push shift and 1 to go into statistics, and then you can see the options here. So let's say I would like to find out sum of my data, so I'll push 3, summation x square or summation x. So let's say summation x, I say 2, it equals to, and it gives you summation of all your observation. Let's go to statistics again, and this time I would like to find out some other calculations. So I'll go to var. Let's say I want to find out average or mean of these observations. I'll put 2, I'll hit equals to, here it is. I would like to find out standard deviation. I'll again hit 4. You can see standard deviation, population deviation. Hit 3, it calculates the value for you. Then you can do some distribution as well. I have made a different video for distribution. You can click the link above to go to statistic distribution calculation and minimum maximum. So push 6 and then you can hit 1. Let's say you want to find out minimum, and it calculates the minimum for you. Now we'll go a step further and we'll do statistical calculation now on a database which has frequency as well, right? You might have noticed while you were inputting data there, okay, one variable, you don't have an option of inputting frequency. So what you can do, you can push shift and setup. Please understand and learn this setup wizard setup commands efficiently, so that it will help you in examination very much. I have made again a separate video on setup. You can click on the link above to go in there. So here I'll go down and you can see stat number 4, and then you have option frequency on or off. So I would like to on it. I'll say 1, and now you can see frequency has come up. Now again you input your values. So let me quickly input the values, and now I'll fill in frequency. And so data is filled in. Hit AC, shift and 1 to go to statistics, and let's say we would like to straight away find out standard deviation. Hit 3. There you go, you have the answer. Let's say you want to find out summation of x square, and you get it very easily. So this is how you do statistics with frequency. Now let's see one more example, and this time we'll do a regression now. So let's go into statistics again, and we'll do a straight line regression. So we can do an a plus bx regression. I'll say 2, and you can put in x values and y values. We can turn off frequency here. Okay, so let us put in x values and y values quickly, and now we can put in the y values. Okay, so we have now x values and y values. We can just get out of it, go into statistics once again, go to regression 5, and here we can find out the coefficient. So 1 is a, so a is -1. We can go back, and we can find out rb, that is 2. So the equation becomes 2x minus 1. It was a plus bx, right? Let's go into a little more. We'll check out some of the other regression, and we'll use a different data table for that. If you remember, we had other regression models there as well. Okay, so let's go to statistics number 3 again. You can see a plus cx square, I mean the quadratic regression, the logarithmic regression, exponential regression, etc. there. So let's try, let's say we would like to try okay, a quadratic equation only. Okay, so let's take 3, let's put in the values quickly. So our data is filled in. Hit AC, shift and stat to go to additional commands, 5 to regression, and we can find out the coefficient here. So we have a, b and c here. So the value of a is 0.59, value of b is 3.82, and our value of c is this much. And that is how you do quadratic regression. Similarly, you can do other kind of regression as well. Hope you like the video. Please do share your feedback in comment section, and let me know if you want me to make any video on any of the other function. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.